Well, we're watching Tropical Storm Isaiah. She is still sitting in the Caribbean, slowly moving its way north. We're actually going to be seeing it does get to Category 1. That's looking about late Friday as it gets closer towards Florida. It is actually skirting the outsides of the eastern coast of Florida. So it is the weaker side of that tropical storm, and then when it gets to there, Category 1. So as that progresses, this is looking at Sunday, and as it goes later, it'll move along the east coast, giving some rain chances to the east coast. But that's really about it for a lot of them. So for us here in West Texas and Texas, we're watching the cold front is what we're looking for. We're looking for this one right here. It is just north of us. We're seeing plenty of cool air, 75 at Denver, Omaha at 80. So we're seeing it definitely cooler for them. For us, though, not just yet. We hit 101 for today. Very hot temperatures, especially we had plenty of blue skies earlier today, starting to see maybe one or two, three clouds out there looking north. We're actually seeing some showers starting in the northern part of the state, but our winds are still coming in from the south, and we're still staying dry as we go into our evening and tomorrow morning. A breeze is nice to help us stay a little bit cooler out there, feel a little bit cooler, because we're seeing some of us starting to feel like in the lower 90s, some mid 90s for us. That's how it feels, but it is still going to stay warm late into tonight, hitting 76. Then as we go into tomorrow, we're going to start watching our rain chances. Still going to be hot for most of us, upper 90s. A few of us that do see these showers, and yes, the potential for some storms, could see a cool down. We actually have a marginal risk for some of those showers and storms that do push through from that front to get some strength behind them to get a severe thunderstorm that's going to have some lightning, some hail with it. We'll watch those as those progress south throughout the day on Friday, because looking at it early, here it is 10 o'clock. We're already starting to see some in the northern part of the Concho Valley, starting to get one or two closer towards San Angelo. Those progressed southward. Afternoon, a little bit of a break, starting to build it back down towards the south along I-10 for the evening. Then we get a break on Sunday. We see some clouds rolling back in because we're having another round of showers on Monday. That's what we're watching for after Friday and Saturday. This taking a look, it's going to be a late afternoon and evening Monday, starting to look like it's tracking more along the eastern part of the Concho Valley. Once again, we could see some strong storms in there and a few showers outside of that, and they're going to progress from north to south. So even though we're not seeing any cool temperatures from it, we'll see some cool temperatures in our lows, but our highs are still staying in those upper 90s for us. So tomorrow, take a watch and watch for those showers that are going to be pushing through. Some could potentially get some strong storms out there. Lows getting into the low 70s. Get our quick break Sunday from those rain chances before another round coming through on Monday. A little bit later, late afternoon and evening, and then we step back up into a dry, hot pattern after that. But it's nice to have those rain chances, and hopefully you'll be one of those lucky ones to see it to cool you off from these hot